Look this question. 4 plus 4 times 5 divided by 5 times 4 plus 4. Let us solve it. 4 plus 4, it will be equal to 8. 8 times 5. Here is division. 5 times 8. Okay. It will become 40. It will also become 40. Hence, 40 divided by 40 will be equal to 1. But remember that 1 is not correct answer. We have made a mistake and now we have to remove that mistake and handle the question again according to PEMDAS rule, which is order of operation, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction from top to bottom. Means first of all we have to solve parentheses. In this question we have two parentheses, the first one, the second one. Both will become 8 times 5 divided by 5 times 8. Okay. Now we have multiplication, division, multiplication means this portion. Okay. Now these are same. Multiplication and division both are same. And we have to move from left to right. Means 8 times 5 will be solved. First it will become 40 divided by 5 times 8. Again, by moving from left to right, we have division at left, multiplication at right. So 40 divided by 5, it will be 8 times 8, which will be multiplied, simplified to get 64. It is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.